Mutual induction. This is one of the very important topic. Let's first understand about the definition of it. It is the property of the coil by virtue of which each opposes any change in strength of current flowing through the other by developing an opposing EMF. Okay, so first of all, the name as mutual induction. Mutual means effect of one in another. ठीक है, इस केस में वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट म्यूचुअल. म्यूचुअल मीन्स व्हेन वी आर डूइंग एनी वर्क रिलेटेड टू अनदर. So it is the property of two coils. Okay, we are having two coils like this. One coil and another coil is kept in the vicinity of it. Okay, so it is the property of two coils by virtue of which each opposes any change in strength of current. Means let us suppose हम इसमें से करंट पास करवाते हैं. One, so we pass the current from this coil and let current I is being passed in this direction. Okay, so current is being produced in this. So each opposes any change in strength of current flowing through it, right, flowing through the other by developing an opposing EMF. अब ये coil क्या करेगी, इस करंट को अपोज करेगी. राइट, सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड दिस अगेन. करंट इज बीइंग इंक्रीज्ड, करंट इंक्रीज होगा तो इन दैट केस द फ्लक्स एसोसिएटेड, लेट दीज आर द फ्लक्स लाइन पासिंग थ्रू द कॉइल. ओके, सो फ्लक्स एसोसिएटेड विद दिस कॉइल विल ऑल्सो चेंजेस. सो इट विल प्रोड्यूस an induced EMF which will oppose the change in flux due to its self-induction property also. Okay, so suppose current is being increased, current increases, flux increases, flux increases, so flux in this will also increase. So an EMF will induce which will oppose this increase in flux, and due to which that current will start flowing in a direction opposite to the cell current. Got it? So it means now EMF is being produced in this coil. Okay, EMF is being produced in this coil due to the current in the another. Since this is a mutual effect, so that is why this is called mutual induction. So if suppose we connect this battery to this cell, this coil, in that case the current will flow in this coil, right? So current will flow in this coil, the EMF will induce in another one which opposes the increase or decrease in current. So just like in self induction we have studied that when current is increasing, EMF is induced in a direction opposite to the direction of current, and when the cell current is decreasing, the EMF is induced in a direction of current. Okay, so similar is the way when the current is increasing in this coil, the EMF is being induced in this coil which opposes this increase and start flowing in a direction opposite to the direction of cell current. If it is flowing in clockwise, it will flow in anti-clockwise. And if the current is decreasing, right, in that case it will tend to, the EMF produced in this coil will tend to increase the current, and so in that case it will start flowing in a direction equal to, same as the direction of cell current. So this is about the mutual induction. And let us now discuss about the coefficient of mutual induction. Just like the self induction coefficient we have done, phi is directly proportional to I. Here this directly proportional symbol, when we remove, that will becomes equal to mi, where m is coefficient of mutual induction. Okay, and we can define it as when I is equal to 1, m is equal to 5. So coefficient of mutual induction is equal to flux produced in the coil when unit current flows in the another coil. Here the change in definition is current flows in the another coil. Similarly, we can write E is equal to minus d phi by dt. So in that case that will be minus m di by dt E. Okay, so in that case if di by dt is equal to 1, in that case E is equal to minus m, or m is equal to minus E. So if di by dt is equal to 1 means the mutual induction, coefficient of mutual induction is numerically equal to the EMF induced when a unit rate of change of current is being passed through the another coil. Similarly, the units for coefficient of mutual induction are also Henry and its dimension formula is also same as that of L, that is Ml2 T minus 2 and A minus 2. And this is all about. Now we will study about the coefficient of mutual induction in case of two solenoids in our next video.